Ed?
I guess you'd call me one of the local farmers here in the South Jersey area. I had gone to high school at Paulsboro High School, and then since Vacuum Oil was located in Paulsboro, I got my first job at Vacuum Oil in 1939. As a matter of fact, it was December 9th, 1939. And since I didn't go off to college, I guess most of my basic training is on-the-job training. I started in the refinery in the works lab, and then took night school courses while I was going there, and then off to the service in the Air Force. And when I came back to the area, I started work in the electronics field, worked for RCA, and then after that petered out, I went back to Mobile as a lab tech, and simultaneously while I was a lab tech, I was also going to night school for my education. And I guess I sort of emphasized the fact that I had on-job training because prior to getting my degree in chemical engineering, I had worked for a number of people at Mobile and got training, I guess, into a lot of areas before I finally specialized. And prior to joining Charlie, I considered that activity as being my undergraduate activities. And then when I joined Charlie, I called that my graduate activity. Actually, I worked for people like Al Schwartz in the development of the Dura bead catalyst, or a fellow by the name of R.C. Wilson in extraction, and also an old fellow called Botkin down there. We did some extrusion work, and this is in the silica aluminum magnesia catalyst. So of course, Charlie had something to do with that, I think, on the exchange work originally. And then I joined Stover in the project called PCR. That's the chrome alumina reforming catalysts, which were quite prominent at one time. And then we shifted over to the preparation of type of catalyst like the alumina form, the beta alumina platinum reforming catalyst. We continued from where Baker had indicated there was some success for the type of catalyst. And so when I finally got my degree, I was working for people like our Kramer and Schwartz. And then I asked for a transfer over to Dr. Planck's group.